Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today's lecture number 2 from the chapter number 5 cell cycle, and the topic is mitosis. Yesterday we studied about the inter cell cycle phases, that is interphase and M phase, and today we will discuss the M phase, mitotic phase, that is mitosis. Firstly, its discovery in 1880s, a German biologist Walter Fleming observed that a dividing cell nucleus passes through a series of changes, and that is he called a mitosis. कि जो सेल है वो जब डिवीजन से पास आउट होता है तो उसके अंदर जो न्यूक्लियस है उसके अंदर बहुत सी चेंजेस आती हैं। उन चेंजेस का जो नाम है वो उसको माइटोसिस दे दिया गया था। But the proper definition is that mitosis is a type of cell division in which a cell divides into two daughter cells, each with the same number of chromosomes as were present in parent cell. माइटोसिस क्या है? सेल डिवीजन। ये प्रोसेस है जिसके थ्रू सेल डिवाइड करता है और फर्दर टू डॉटर सेल्स की फॉर्मेशन कर देता है। अब जो टू डॉटर सेल्स हैं उनके पास भी नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम सेम रहता है जैसा कि क्रोमोसोम का नंबर पेरेंट के पास होता है। एज यू कैन सी इन डायग्राम देर आर two chromosomes, one is blue and one is pink in color in prophase, and after the whole process of cell division, after passing through the phases of cell division, that is metaphase, anaphase, telophase, in cytokinesis you can see the two daughter cells, and both these daughter cells have two chromosomes number, so each daughter cell has the same number of chromosome as were present in the parent cell. Next question is, in which organisms mitosis will occur? So mitosis only occurs in eukaryotic cells. Okay, it is absent in prokaryotic cells, and in multicellular organisms the somatic cells undergo the mitosis. Number one is it occurs in eukaryotes, and in eukaryotic cells, multicellular organism, it takes place only in somatic cells. What are somatic cells? Somatic cells are those cells which make the body of organism. जो हमारी बॉडी के जितने सेल्स हैं बच्चे उनको हम सोमेटिक सेल्स कहते हैं। जैसे कि स्किन है, आपकी ऑर्गन्स हैं, ठीक है, तो इनके जो सेल्स हैं दीज आर सोमेटिक सेल्स. And prokaryotes do not undergo mitosis. They have a similar process that is known as binary fusion. Now the question is, they do not undergo proper mitosis. Why? Prokaryotes, because prokaryotes do not have proper nucleus and do not form spindles during division. That is why this division is not called mitosis. Next is the phases of mitosis. Karyokinesis and cytokinesis, these are the two phases of mitosis. Now karyokinesis is the division of nucleus, while the cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm. Firstly, the nucleus will divide. Karyokinesis will occur and it takes place by four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So first one is the prophase. In prophase there is a chromatin, that is thread-like structure, and it condenses into the chromosomes, and chromosomes have these sister chromatids, as you can see in red in color and blue in color. These are the sister chromatids, okay, and they are attached with each other at the point of centromere, and they have a kinetochore, or that is the special protein outside the centromere, and the in prophase there is the formation of centrioles, as you can see in yellow in color in the outside the nucleus, that is present in the cytoplasm. Next is the metaphase plate. Now what will happen? The chromosomes will arrange themselves on the equator of the line that forms the metaphase plate, and the kinetochore fibers are attached from the opposite poles with each chromosome. कि क्या है, हमारे पास स्पिंडल फाइबर्स की फॉर्मेशन हो चुकी है, और जो स्पिंडल फाइबर्स हैं वो काइनेटोकोर, जो क्रोमोसोम का काइनेटोकोर है वहाँ के साथ अटैच हो चुके हैं, और उसको हम कहते हैं काइनेटोकोर फाइबर्स. ठीक है, दोनों अपोजिट पोल्स की तरफ से आके वो अटैच हो चुके हैं, एंड इन दिस वे इट हैज़ फॉर्म्स द मेटाफेज प्लेट. नेक्स्ट इज द एनाफेज. In anaphase, pulling of chromosomes occur. Now, how pulling will occur when kinetochore spindle fibers shortens? It pulls the chromosomes, and this pulling force divides the sister chromatids of chromosome. As you can see, orange, purple, maroon, blue, all these were the sister chromatids, and they have separated from each other. So now they have converted from sister chromatids to the sister chromosome. Now they will call sister chromosomes, and they have the identical copies at the opposite poles. Next one is the telophase, and telophase is the reversal of prophase, because in prophase the nuclear envelope डिसइंटीग्रेट, जो न्यूक्लियर एनवेलप थी बच्चे उसकी फॉर्मेशन ख़त्म होना शुरू हो गई थी, लेकिन टेलोफेज में क्या है, अगेन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियर एनवेलप. And next is the nuclear envelope will form again on surrounding the chromosomes, and then these chromosomes unfold back into chromatin. फर्स्ट प्रोफेज में क्रोमाटिन से क्रोमोसोम्स की फॉर्मेशन हुई थी, लेकिन टीलोफेज में क्रोमोसोम विल कन्वर्ट बैक इनटू द chromatin. This is the telophase. Now after the telophase, cytokinesis will occur. Okay. And cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm. Now it takes place different in animal cell and as different in plant cell. Now how it takes place in animal cells? It occurs by the process of cleavage in animal cell. You can see the diagram, there is a cleavage furrow. This furrow deepens where the metaphase plate used to be. जब सेल डिवीजन हो रही थी जहाँ पे मेटाफेज प्लेट की फॉर्मेशन हुई थी, वहीं पे क्लेवेज फरो की जो है वो फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट होती है. एंड दिस फरो डीपन्स एंड इवेंचुअली पिंचेस द पेरेंट सेल इनटू टू डॉटर सेल. यहाँ से ये पिंच करता जाएगा, पिंच करने की वजह से जो डॉटर सेल है वो एक दूसरे से सेपरेट हो जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट वन इज साइटोकाइनेसिस इन प्लांट सेल, and this is very different from the animal cell. In this process, vesicles from the Golgi apparatus move to the middle of the cell. जो सेल के अंदर गोल्जी ऑपरेटर्स है वहाँ से वेसिकल्स आते हैं और वो सेल बिल्कुल सेंटर में सेल के जो है वो मूव कर जाते हैं, और वहाँ पे जाके वो जब फ्यूज़ होते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ तो वो एक मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड डिस्क बनाते हैं, डेट इज़ नॉन एज फ्रेगमोप्लास्ट आर सेल प्लेट. एज यू कैन सी इन दिस सेकेंड डायग्राम, डेट इज़ ब्लैक इन कलर, सेल प्लेट. And the result is two daughter cells, each bonded by its own plasma membrane and cell wall, and in this way daughter cells have separated from each other. So this is the cytokinesis in plant cell. Today's we have learned the topic mitosis, its phases, and there are two phases of mitosis, karyokinesis and cytokinesis, and karyokinesis further divided into four phases: metaphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And then at the end, cytokinesis will occur. Today's diary is learn the topics mitosis, their phases, page number 89 to 91. Thank you.